Hi, my name is Khadija and I wanted to share a video of how I sewed down my 7x7 lace closure. I wasn't really able to find a lot of videos on YouTube that went in depth, so I just wanted to show the techniques that I use in order to do so, and hopefully this video is helpful to those who are watching, and if not, feel free to leave comments down below asking questions that you have, and hopefully I'll be able to answer them all. Thank you. So now I'm going to come on with a demonstration of how I sewed down my closure. I've already done the other side, so this side is going to be my example for you guys. And we're going to overcome this lump here. It may look intimidating in the beginning, but I promise and I hope for you guys that it'll be able to lay down flat in the end. So as we progress on, I've sewn the beginning of the closure up until this point where this lump is beginning to really form, and we have to get it to lay down flat like the rest of the closure has. So typically when sewing a closure, I normally, with a regular standard 4x4 closure, I would normally go along the curve or the direction of the closure and just sew down normally. With this, you don't want to do that because then you'll have the lumps and you don't want the lumps, or the closure won't lay flat on your head and you don't want that to happen either. So what I have discovered that works for me is to, instead of going with the curve of the closure, I'm going to go straight down into the cap instead, and sew that way and keep going from there until I reach the end. Another thing you want to make sure that you do is sew your stitches really close together in order to eliminate room for those lumps to form. And so I'm just going to show again, instead of going with the curve of the closure, you want to go against that curve and go straight down. As you'll see, the lump has gone away substantially, and then we're just going to continue that pattern as we go around this side. So here I'm just showing you my final results. As you can see, things are laying flat and there are no extra lumps and bumps in the closure. You can also see that my stitching is really close together in order to eliminate the space and opportunity for those lumps and bumps to form. So next I'm going to go into a sped up clip of me constructing the rest of this wig, and then after that I'll try it on and so you guys can see my final results.